Checking Amazon affiliate earnings and commission rate is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, open any browser in your system and search Amazon Associates. Then click on this link, Amazon.com Associates Central. This is Amazon affiliate program in which you share product link and earn commission after sales. Scroll down. This is the summary for this month. Total items shipped, total earnings, total ordered items, clicks and conversion. Here you can also see summary last updated date. This will be your graph that will show commission, bounties and clicks. Now click on View Full Report. This page shows your Amazon affiliate earnings full report. First select date to check report for that particular date. Today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, or you can also select custom date range. Now check bounties from here. Here you can see the total earnings of bounties and total number of referrals. List of bounty names will show here. Now click on commission and you can see your commission. These are your total earnings with bonus. Here you will see list of all ordered items from Amazon through your affiliate link. Now scroll up and click on commission schedule. These are the commission rates. Amazon games with 20% commission rate. These items have 0% commission rate, and you can see all other products commission rate. This is how to check Amazon affiliate earnings and commission rate.